You need some sex tips for women so you can please your man with oral sex. You think that you know how to make it really hot and how to really show him what you are made of, but you really have no idea what you are doing when it comes to oral. It is time that you learned some tips. Oral just isn't about your mouth. This is the most important piece of information that you should learn. You don't just have to use your mouth in order to please a man with oral. Although it is the most important step, it doesn't have to be the only one. You can use a hand to stimulate him on top of stimulating him with your mouth. This will be just what he needs to have enough stimulation to give him some great pleasure. Don't forget the testicles. Using your soft lips and tongue on his testicles will feel amazing to him and will only enhance the whole experience. It is worth stimulating this area because it will definitely send him over the edge and make him feel pleasure that is completely and totally out of this world. With each testicle filled with nerve endings, you are going to want to touch him here. Using everything you got on your man will definitely make for a very erotic and sensual experience. It will be something that will drive him wild and will definitely be the best oral sex he has ever had, as long as you follow these few sex tips for women. Find out the one thing he obsesses over more than sex, link in description.